Get that first time experience.
Transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a first-order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pucara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. Line up and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Paul Daniel and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pucara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Jet doors opening now.
Hurry, all recruits to transport. No need for safety gear. Look us through the ride.
Ground crews, deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Initiate redeployment sequence on deck 3 for Picard.
Siren party. Right about.
Tell them it's workers, sending you all the way in. Let's go, let's go.
This is your final call on board. I'm getting a high reading on the fuel pressure line. That's better. Check the binary motivator. Yes, I just want to be sure.
All recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds.
All right, silver
Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport around 20 seconds.
Good. Airspeed sensor. Thank you, Micah. Black Leader, are you and the team ready?
Affirmative. The engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage propulsors and hold on, recruits. More ships. Launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pucara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First order TIE fighters. Reroute! Reroute! Red 2, Blue 5, we're gonna clear a path so transport can make a jump.
Taking evasive action!
Try to shake him down.
I'm trying!
Relax, Blue 5. I'm gonna try to draw him away.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready. You won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers. We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll go get some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves. Prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Resistance supplies.
Gentlemen of the command of the First Order. All passengers will disembark and enter the right for processing and interrogations. Now, all of you, please. Get out. Oh, I get it. For the opposite.
Is that funny?
Thank you.
How many? 2. You're along the wall.
Oh, look at that, it's time. If you have any hats or bags, take those off now.
Oh, really?
Thank you. I'll have a stormtrooper keep an eye on you until the... I know.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
Oh, right there.
The resistance, we're here to save you. Let's go. Blue's at the front, red is at the back. Silver and orange are at this side. Silver and orange are at the back.
Wait, you're still here? Don't come back with an attack force. Get to the escape pod.
Make sure we're hanging on tight to all loose items. This is our 5. He's getting out of here. Good luck.
Take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer.
It's a prisoner transfer.
Did it work?
I don't know.
Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right.
Be careful.
Hey, you're not wait, and those are the prisoners. We have a breach in section 1-3.
Detachment to level D.
There they are. Fire. Anyone packing a blaster? Now's a good time. The escape pod's the boss. Wait, why are you going up? Sit down. It's bad. Oh, it's real bad.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Down the arm. All personnel to their stations.
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Fire the vengeful cannons.
personnel. Abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. This destroyers are...
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, Stafford's pod people.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from Keegan.
Lieutenant back here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.